Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a BNP Paribas bank card. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for France BNP Paribas. Then click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. Then next we're going to click on manage accounts, then on cards and payment methods, then again on all cards. So as you can see, they have numerous cards. You guys could choose from them. So once you've selected your preference, you're going to click on it. Then as you can see, it's going to show you its features, its overview basically. You could also see it's in details, its eligibility, its description, basically everything about it. Then click on contact us. So as before, you guys are going to insert this. There is some contact information to be filled out. Then once you're done with this, they're going to register it and reach out to you when your credit card has been delivered. So this is basically how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.